They upheld Prop 8 and the existing marriages.
Same-sex couples reacted with disappointment when they heard the news that the California Supreme Court upheld Prop 8, the voter-approved ban on same-sex marriage. Thousands of gay couples who tied the knot before the law went into effect will be allowed to stay married. But that seemed to be of little consolation to many outside the courthouse.
Shame on you! Shame on you!
The movement for intolerance in this state is powerful.
These gays can get married, these gays can't. So they're kind of contradicting themselves with their own laws, which I find a little puzzling.
More than 100 Prop 8 protesters were arrested after blocking an intersection in San Francisco. Supporters of Prop 8 called the court's decision a victory for traditional marriage.
Once the voice of the people was heard, if that was undermined by the courts, that would have been insulting.
Same-sex marriage is legal in 5 states: Iowa, Maine, Vermont, Massachusetts, and Connecticut.
This state has always been on the leading and cutting edge, is now trailing on one of the most critical civil rights issues of our time.
Both sides say they'll continue the fight.
Today's ruling doesn't mean marriage equality will never be achieved. It simply means that, in the end, we can't rely on the courts to secure it.
I'm not sure why it's so important to them, but I'll be out here to make sure my voice is heard if they're going to push this.
Supporters of gay marriage in California say they'll now work to get the item on the ballot again, possibly as early as next year. Haven Daily, The Associated Press, San Francisco.